Qbrix diamond painting kits are universal sets that allow you to create a picture from any photo. There are 3 colors: black and white, original, colorful pop art, vintage and beige. A unique feature of the Qbrix diamond mosaics is that you can choose a photo for assembling after purchasing the set. The set includes everything you need to create a masterpiece: crystals of different colors, storage bags, stylus, wax pad, plastic trays, manual with a unique code, and the base on a canvas with frame. Everything is very simple. The instructions detail every step you take. Scan the QR code from the manual and go to our website. Click Diamond Painting Kit and enter your unique code. Choose the color of your set and upload the desired picture, for example, your favorite photo. It can be horizontal or vertical. The generator will offer several build options to choose from. Enter your email and instructions will be sent to it. Assemble online on the website or use a PDF file that you can print out. The colors of crystals in the instructions and on the bags are marked with the same symbols. The canvas already has a diagram with the numbered sectors, so it will be easy and convenient to assemble. Use the stylus to place the crystals according to the instructions in the right cells. Dive into the world of creativity and make a unique picture which no one else will have. Qbrix diamond mosaics will fit into any interior, add uniqueness to it, and help you capture the most precious moments.